Ocean water, they let it evaporate.
That's how if you're ever stranded somewhere and you have no water, you have seawater, you get like leaves or something and allow it to evaporate and then drip and have a way to collect the water that drips off and it's fresh water because all the salt stays there, so you get it to evaporate and then drip into something else. That's fresh water.
It takes a long time to get the water.
I think I saw that on either Bear Grylls or Les Strauss or whatever. Get some of the parts you want. Make sure you're almost there. Some people are they're not sitting in the right spot, so I'm not exactly. Okay.
Hi, you're so bad. That's so bad.
Said that they had a massive surge of sales yesterday.
That's where I probably did not.
For the train. For the train trip. No. Like not that many people had signed up for it until yesterday.
Now you're being not responsible. Come on. Please, stand down. You know, man, right?
Hey, natural habitat or something? I think it's protected out here. Marshlands for